Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Hope you all are doing good. So if your laptop battery is draining too fast, in this video we are going to look at how to fix the issue in Windows 10. So let's start the video. First we are going to run the troubleshooter. So click on this Windows icon. After that click on this settings option. Now in this settings option, go to this update and security option, click on it. On the left side, click on Troubleshoot. After that, on the right side, click on Additional Troubleshooters. Click on it. So this will show you all the options. Scroll down and you will see this power option. So this option will help you to extend battery life. So click on this option, Run the Troubleshooter. So this will try to identify the problems and this will fix the issue related with your laptop battery. So run this troubleshooter. So as you can see, these issues are fixed. So click on close. Now move on to the next step you can apply. Right click on this taskbar, then click on Task Manager. Now if you see this kind of small window, just click on this option, More Details. Now you have to check these two columns, Power Uses and Power Uses Trend. So if there is any application which is consuming so much of your power, you can identify that application with the help of this Task Manager. So if there is any application which is consuming so much of your power, just disable or end task. I will show you how to do it. So if, for example, if this application is consuming so much of your power uses, just right click on it and then click on End Task. So this will help you to identify and monitor if there is any application which is consuming so much of your power. So you can apply this method as well. Now move on to the next setting you can apply. So click on this Windows icon. After that click on Settings. Then click on this option System. On the left side, click on Power and Sleep. Click on it. After that, on the right side, click on this option Related Settings and then click on Additional Power Settings. This will show you this kind of window. Now you have to select this balanced plan. As you can see, this is recommended. So select the balanced one always. Now move on to the next step you can apply. Disable all the background and startup applications. So for this you have to go to this settings option, go to settings. After that click on privacy. On the left side scroll down and you will see this option background apps, click on it. Now you have to disable all the background applications. So click here to disable all the background applications like this. Now disable the startup applications. So again right click on the taskbar, then click on Task Manager. Now click on this startup tab and this will show you all the startup applications which are running or enabled. So you have to disable all the startup applications by right click on it, then click on disable. So disable all the background and startup applications. Now move on to the next step you can apply. So press Window key and R together to open Run command. After that type this command, then click on OK. So this will open the group policy. Now on the left side click on this option Administrative Templates, click on it. Expand this folder. Then click on this option Windows Component, expand this folder. Now scroll down, then click on this option Search. After that on the right side you will see this option Prevent Indexing when running on battery power. So you have to right click on this option, then click on Edit. After that select Enabled, then click on Apply, then click on OK. Cut this window and after that restart your system. Now move on to the next step. Again press Window key and R together to open Run command and after that type this command, click on OK. So this will open Windows Services. Now you have to search for a service called Windows Search. This is the service we need. Windows search, right click on it, go to properties. After that, stop this service. Then in this startup type, select disabled. Click on apply. Stop this service as well. Click on OK. If your laptop battery draining too fast, you can use this method. The final thing you can do is update your operating system. So these are the few steps you can apply. This is all for the video. Thank you.